Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. I'm Mr. Gaza here. Today, we're going to talk about something that's happening with my beautiful Pepper. She's behind you right now in the camera. Listen, I don't know if you remember that one video when I just got Pepper and the car was actually pulling up to a stop and you could hear that crackling noise when it was slowing down. I think about it, I remember the first time I did a big brake install from the Ls400. I remember not shaving the bolts that's holding the brake calipers to the hub, and not shaving the back end of the calipers to have a flush fit. And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, crooked fit. It's got a crooked fit on there. So right now the brake pads are being unevenly eaten alive, and it's not stopping properly because the bolts are actually pressing on the rotor and rubbing into it on the bottom section. So therefore it's not stopping properly. So today we're going to go ahead and see if my theory is correct. Guys, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, subscribe to the channel. Come on, we have tons of informative videos that literally can show you how to do it yourself. All right guys, so now let's go ahead and get to the live action. Let's see what's going on underneath the car. Hey, now the car is up. We are going to take off the two front wheels and examine how and what is causing that sound, okay? Please don't go away. Guys, stick with the video. This is very important. If you need to learn how to install the big brake, the Ls400 big brakes on these cars properly, you need to watch this video. It's very important, guys. It's not just a slap on and it's working. You have to do a lot of things just to make this happen. Please watch the video. Thank you. Hey guys, yes, now we're here with the brake rotor off, and now the caliper is sitting on top of the spindle set, and here we have the upper portion, the upper bracket on the caliper. This little section right here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you. All right, this little section right here, this comes into contact with the spindle fingers that hold the brake caliper on. These things right here. I was correct. It was not seated properly onto the fingers that are on the spindle, the hub assembly. And what we have to do is we have to get a grinder and grind it down to a point where it will no longer rub and it will be seated much better flush onto the caliper. Make sure you have your eye protection and something to cover your face with, because it will be letting off a lot of aluminum. This is 100% aluminum, so you don't want aluminum getting into your damn nose. See what I'm saying? Yeah, by the way guys, this is my my Gaza Performance Garage face mask. Here we have the cut section on the caliper bracket. You can see there's more space and it's actually smoothened out, and there's more surface area for the hub assembly fingers to grab onto the calipers. We're not done yet. Once we're going to now bolt up the caliper to the hub assembly fingers, and we're going to see how much these bolts are protruding through that can actually rub on the rotor. Okay guys, now you see it, and when I'm done you won't be able to see it again. Here guys, now you see the bolt is smooth with the stud that's in the caliper. Now what we're going to do is switch out the bolt, put the this bolt to the bottom, and then go ahead and put it up to the top. Currently I'm doing a voiceover because the compressor is running really loud. As you can hear my dog Toby in the background barking. Perfect. In order to mount the caliper properly onto the hub assembly, you need to bolt down the rotor with one lug nut onto the hub, and then you can properly mount your caliper. If you don't do it like this, it will be very difficult for you to mount it. It will give you a fight. So do as I do right here. Just use one lug nut and properly secure the rotor onto the hub, and go ahead and mount your calipers. Guys, don't worry about the calipers, these crusty calipers. I will be getting a brand new set of calipers with rotors for the Mark IV Toyota Twin Turbo Supra. I will be showing you how to mount them on. Basically, it's just what I'm doing right now. The stage is set for bigger brakes. All right, guys. All right, guys, that's how you do it. Simple, easy. Installing this the right way. Oh, don't forget to brake clean off, you know, all of your parts so you can have good brakes.
Okay, my friends, listen, so what you gotta do now that we cleaned up the brakes and stuff, before you even start rolling with that car on the street, you need to pump your pedal so you can make the brake pads go back to their original setting, which is resting lightly.
Nice and clean, guys. All right, guys, let's go ahead and finish up the other one, and we will conclude this video. This breeze is blowing real good. I love this. Mad shout out to the person that left the AC on outside. Really appreciate it. Thank you, God, for bringing a little cool. Mad shout out to you. Enough respect, brethren. Enough respect. If you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, man, support the channel. This channel teaches you how to do it yourself, and with your help, with your support, we can get to fight the algorithms, and algorithms can be a very nasty little thing to deal with. All right, press the thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Don't want to take up much of your time. Thank you for watching today's video. I will be showing you how to install the twin turbo Supra big brakes when I get it. I will be doing it on the SC300, and also I'll be trying to get the rear calipers from the twin turbo Supra as well, so I can have a better braking system. Instead of a one pot piston system working in the back, I'll have two. But other than that, everything is golden. I'm going to go ahead and take her out for a spin, get some E85 into her system, some fresh E85.
My neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that